Welcome to a future of elegance, where innovation stands proudly for Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max Orange Edition, and design speaks with quiet confidence. This bold orange form reflects strength, precision, and craftsmanship refined through relentless attention to detail. Perfect alignment reveals harmony, balance, and a design philosophy built on intention and discipline. Every lens is engineered to capture clarity, depth, and brilliance, transforming moments into lasting impressions. One device steps forward, illuminated with purpose, commanding attention without the need for explanation. Every great innovation begins at the source, where raw elements meet human ambition and technological vision. Powerful machines carve into the earth, extracting the foundation that will shape a new generation of technology. Each truck carries aluminum destined to become something far greater than its origin. Within these raw fragments lies strength, resilience, and the promise of transformation. From above, precision and power move together in perfect harmony, guided by intelligent coordination. Inside intense heat, transformation begins as raw metal prepares for refinement and rebirth. Molten aluminum flows with energy, forged by fire and guided carefully by science. Robotic arms withstand extreme temperatures effortlessly, ensuring control where precision matters most. Liquid metal settles into form, capturing durability, stability, and structural integrity. Aligned molds glow with purpose, shaping consistency that defines quality at every level. Cold precision replaces heat as advanced machines sculpt perfection down to microscopic detail. Every cut is deliberate and exact, carving aluminum into refined elegance. Machines move in flawless rhythm, transforming raw blocks into beautifully engineered frames. Coolant flows across sharp edges, revealing smoothness born from absolute precision. In moments, raw material evolves into engineered excellence, ready for its next identity. Science meets artistry as frames prepare to receive their defining visual signature. Immersed in chemistry, silver transforms, absorbing character and depth. Color bonds at a molecular level, creating a vibrant finish built to endure. Emerging renewed, the frame now carries confident brilliance and unmistakable presence. Dried and perfected, the surface reflects premium craftsmanship you can both see and feel. Light cuts through darkness as lasers engrave precision beyond the limits of human touch. Every spark marks accuracy, shaping glass with flawless consistency and control. Synchronized beams refine each surface, guided by intelligent design systems. Cooling glass reveals clarity, sharpness, and optical perfection. The cycle completes, setting the stage for intelligence, power, and life to begin. Inside a precision-driven clean room, robotics move in harmony, assembling the future with calm accuracy and flawless coordination. At a microscopic scale, components are placed gently where even the smallest detail matters. The processor descends with absolute precision, locking intelligence into place at the heart of the device. Tiny flashes seal connections instantly, forming a perfect electronic foundation in moments. Logic boards glide forward together, guided by rhythm, synchronization, and engineered balance. Advanced sensors scan every surface, ensuring perfection before the journey continues. Energy takes form as power cells are lifted carefully, prepared to fuel performance. With seamless accuracy, the battery slides into place, fitting as if it always belongs there. The assembled core advances smoothly, its orange surface reflecting controlled progress. A vibrant display lowers gracefully, aligning itself with mechanical elegance. With a gentle press, screen and frame become one, sealed without compromise. Fully assembled devices move forward together, their bold color forming a striking pattern. For the first time, the screen awakens, signaling life within the device. Now complete, each unit enters testing where performance meets proof. High-pressure water collides in slow motion, challenging durability without mercy. Droplets bead and roll away effortlessly, leaving the surface untouched. Submerged briefly, sensors confirm resilience under demanding conditions. Rapid touches test responsiveness, confirming speed, accuracy, and fluid control. A clear pass signal appears, marking success without hesitation. Across the lab, multiple devices complete testing in perfect unison. Next, controlled impact tests strength under precise conditions. The device absorbs the drop gracefully, remaining flawless and intact. Final scans confirm integrity, reinforcing confidence at every level. With testing complete, the journey enters a calm and orderly packaging stage. Robotic hands lower the device into its box with deliberate care. The lid closes smoothly, sealing craftsmanship within a clean, iconic form. Packaged units flow forward in perfect alignment, ready for distribution. Boxes stack methodically, building scale through precision. Autonomous machines carry the future across the warehouse floor. Endless rows await shipment, completing a journey from raw innovation to the world. Deep in the warehouse, the first iPhone 17 shipment moves to the loading bay for immediate dispatch. Digital tracking locks coordinates, ensuring every sealed container is monitored in real time for total supply chain security. Engines roar as the heavy transport fleet rolls out, carrying the future of technology away from the factory. Under a golden sunrise, the massive truck convoy stretches to the horizon, delivering millions of units globally. At the logistics hub, crews transfer cargo to heavy-lift aircraft, bridging the gap between continents in hours. Full of cargo, the massive jetliner takes to the skies, ensuring the Orange Edition reaches every time zone. Through the neon city night, trucks race against the clock to stock flagship locations before morning comes. The Apple Store glows with anticipation, a beacon of design ready for the biggest launch of the year. Glass doors slide open to reveal the ultimate contrast, welcoming the first customers to the new generation. Rows of the limited Orange Edition stand ready, precision engineering waiting for you to unbox the power. The first touch confirms the premium build as you experience the sleek new design in your hands. Precision milled edges catch the light, highlighting the stunning sunset orange finish and ceramic shield durability. Built for every generation, the intuitive interface connects you to the world with simple, powerful technology. The advanced triple-lens camera system redefines photography, housed within a vibrant and durable glass back. Instant authentication brings the device to life with a single touch, seamlessly merging security with speed. A warm, colorful greeting welcomes you to a world of infinite possibilities, starting with that iconic hello. Excitement fills the room as the first owners explore the features that make this the most advanced iPhone yet. Navigate with fluid precision through a stunning interface powered by the fastest chip ever in a smartphone. Ultra thin and incredibly strong, the titanium frame sets a new standard for elegance displayed on the stand. Whether at a cafe or on the go, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the perfect companion for your lifestyle. Zoom in closer than ever before with the new periscope lens system that captures every distant detail. The intelligent camera automatically enhances vibrant colors, turning everyday moments into professional masterpieces instantly. Designed to fit effortlessly into your day, it sits perfectly alongside your essentials, ready for the journey. Own the night city with low-light sensors that bring the neon pulse of the metropolis to life. Stay connected without distraction, as intelligent notifications deliver exactly what you need right when needed. Tactile controls give you command over every function, designed for a satisfying and responsive click every time. Built to endure the elements, the advanced waterproofing ensures splashes and spills never compromise your experience. Against the backdrop of the city skyline, the device glows as a symbol of pure innovation and power. Every detail matters, from the symmetrical speaker grills to the high-speed connector port for rapid charging. This is the pinnacle of mobile technology, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, illuminating the future in your hand.